Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to set up sleep timer on LG TV. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do, if your LG TV is turned off, is go ahead and turn on your LG TV. You can do this either by pressing the power button on the TV or by using your remote control. Then again, press the home button on the remote. Navigate to quick settings. Click on OK. Now, use the left and right arrow to search through this until you get to timer. So, once you get to timer, click on OK. Then go ahead and select your sleep timer. You can set this to 20 minutes, 30, 120 minutes, 240. Then, after that, click on OK. Then you should see your sleep timer set to 90 minutes or whatever minute you selected. And then you can now go back and start your program. After 90 minutes, your LG TV will enter into a sleep mode. And that is it. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.